Hi everybody, how are you? Well, it's almost winter and it's raining and it's cold, but fear not, because today I have another Pyrocast for you, full of ideas that I've already told you may be updated, but they are timeless. From the Chinese New Year to fashion, and we also have the tips and tricks section that is very interesting from my point of view, and I hope you like it. Next week we have another one for you to have many ideas while it's raining outside. Okay? So have a great week. Bye!
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, welcome to another Fantastic Monday Pyrocast. So, how was your weekend? Ready for a new week full of fantastic things to do? Alright, let me help you with that. So this week we have a major event that starts tomorrow. That is the Chinese New Year. This is the year of the pig. I don't know if you believe in signs, but anyway, it's always a beautiful theme to burn. It reminded me that you can do a wall clock with the zodiac signs. It's 12 of them. And in the center, you can put a Chinese dragon or a pig, then you'll know the year you did it. You can also make a set of coasters with each one of the 12 zodiac signs. Chinese lamps are also a beautiful theme to burn. You have almost unlimited ideas here waiting for you. By the end of the week, we have another Grammy Awards ceremony in LA. It's the 61st ceremony. Now, this gives us a lot of more ideas. The whole music industry with their over-the-top presentations, acts, clothes. You can make a portrait of one of the award winners, for instance. Pick the category you like the most. If you like music in general like me, you'll have a hard decision ahead of you. Also, the award itself is a beautiful subject to burn. Another event that may sparkle your imagination is the New York Fashion Week. Following the Paris and London Fashion Week, New York will show what's new for men and women to wear. From patterns to shapes and objects, you can get inspiration to burn a new project everywhere. Now for the tips and tricks. Last week I talked to you about a tonal value chart. The texture chart is another great exercise, another way to get to know the use of your different pens and what they do at a certain temperature. Textures are always something that needs some extra work because they are not easy to make. You have hair, scales, fur, grass, stone, and many more. Remember that this changes with the type of wood you use. They will burn more or less according to the wood's hardness. Harder woods require more temperature for the same results. On the other hand, you'll get a reference chart that you can consult at any time, saving you time because it will give you an idea of what tip to use at what temperature for the work you're doing. Now that I've given you some more ideas for your amazing projects, I'll get to work myself. Remember Oscar Wilde's sentence, life imitates art more than art imitates life itself. So what do I have to do? Give life some inspiration. Have a wonderful day and a great week. See you all in next Fantastic Monday cast where your Mondays will never be the same.
Funtastic Mondays.